Welcome to Bobby Studio. Today, I made a video on how to install BobbyMovie app for iOS devices. No jailbreak, no login, no Apple Store. BobbyMovie is a free app which doesn't use illegal torrents, so no need to enable the VPN when using the app. First, open Safari browser and enter my website. Here, you can see that BobbyMovie can run on iOS and Android. For iOS, you have two options: from Build Store with service charge for no getting revoked by Apple, or install free app. It will occasionally be revoked, and you must delete the app and reinstall. Press iOS button. Lots of features of app that you can see here. Choose your language to better understand. Now, begin installing app. Recommend you should install the app from No Jailbreak section. If link 1 doesn't work, let's try link 2. You should also try Music to listen music offline and online. Installation will then be performed in the background. Check the icons on your device's home screen. You should see the icon of the app somewhere, and a progress indicator. You will receive an untrusted enterprise developer error if you try to open it. Go to Settings, General Profiles, Device Management. Trust. Now, let's explore features of the BobbyMovie. Do not ignore the messages of app, it will help you a lot. Press OK to bookmark my website in your browser. Please like and subscribe my channel Bobby Studio. Thank you for watching.